final of the World Cup has just ended, and I'm aware that my nation is experiencing a shock. We all sat in hope that, God willing, we would win the World Cup this time. So I want to say a few things. First, I want to tell my nation that winning and losing are part of the game. What I always told my team was to fight until the last ball and to give it your best. When a result comes and a person has given their all, this person says that it is God's will, and I've always believed this. Our team fought hard, especially persevering until the last ball. However, when Shaheen Afridi got injured, there was nothing anyone could do, and it was unfortunate. This happened during a very important phase, and it could have made a difference. But as I've always said, we cannot control everything. Despite the disappointment, I'd especially like to acknowledge how our team reached the finals. I believe our fast bowling attack is one of the best I've seen after a long time across the entire world. Shaheen Afridi will hopefully be fully fit soon, and I must mention that Babar Azam, a world-class batsman as per my view, will outshine all the world's batsmen the way he is progressing, God willing. Our teams are showing promise, so though we are disappointed right now, we should look at the bigger picture that we are, by the grace of God, a Pakistani team, which is now considered among the top teams in the world.